Good morning, students. This is your remaining parts from the lesson first. Gulliver said, after some times, it had four of the men who used a ladder to climb up to it. One of the men, who seemed to be an officer, made him a long speech from this stage, but Gulliver understood nothing. Before he spoke, he ordered about 50 of men to cut the ropes that tied the side of Gulliver's head, so that he was able to see what kind of a person he was and what he did. He was taller, the man was taller than any of the other. He spoke angrily and at times with kindness. Gulliver answered in a few words, promising to do whatever he ordered me. By that time, being extremely Gulliver hungry, he showed that he wanted food by putting his finger frequently to his mouth. The orator means a good speaker, understood very well. He got down from the stage and commanded the several ladders be put against side. 100 of the people climbed up the ladders and walked towards his mouth with basket full of meat sent by the emperor. There were the shoulders and legs of several animals, but they were smaller than the wings of a small bird. इतने छोटे थे वो एनिमल्स जैसे स्मॉल बर्ड्स के विंग्स होते हैं. Gulliver ate them 2 or 3 at a mouthful and took 3 loaves of a bread at a time. They supplied me as quickly as they could, जितनी तेज़ी से वो कर सकते थे. Showing 1,000 marks of wonder and astonishment at my size and appetite. I then made another for me, so they drew up one of their largest cask. Cask means wine container, and rolled it towards my hand. I opened the top cask, which I drank in the same manner. They bought me a second cask. I drank in the same manner. I made sign for more, but they had none to give me. When I had performed these wonders, they shouted for joy and danced upon Gulliver's bodies, repeating several times as they did as first, Hakina Jagul. Students, I hope you understood this story. If you have any problem in this story, you can ask me by messages